Hi guys, so I just recorded this video lang. Time check tayo at 6:34 AM. Parating yung Black Friday sale. Ayan. So meron tayong mga trades. At paano we just capture yung positions dito na maganda. Like for this one. Maybe I'll close this trade siguro maya-maya. Meron tayong profits dito to 49 USDT. And siguro today I'll share lang some my experiences guys, no, kasi itong strategy ko na ito ay ito yung tinatawag na short selling, no, shorting. So yung shorting ay isa sa mga strategy ito ng mga experienced trader kasi sobrang risky ito guys, no. Ang shorting is isa din sa mako-consider ko as bear market proof na strategy. Kasi even bear market, effective itong strategy na ito pag bumabagsak yung market. Kaya karamihan na mga veterano na trader, experienced trader talaga is that sila yung tumatagal sa market guys, no? Kasi they have this vital ideas strategy. So, yun, napaka-risky ito guys. Again, itong ating discussion today is just reflection lang siguro, self-growth. I continuously learning dito guys sa crypto space, no? And I always consider myself as a student dito. And make sure you understand yung risk dito and reward, no? Para mas magkaroon kayo ng informed decisions. Napaka-importante yung risk management sa crypto. And psychology is very important, no? You ask for yourself kung paano ka nagre-react doon sa price action. Ito, live ito guys, no? And you ask for yourself na kung ano na nga ba yung nafe-feel mo. Kung masyado ka ng overheated, amplified na yung emotions mo, mas madi-distract ka doon guys, no? So, yeah, maybe I'll close this trade ng live. I'll close this one. Yeah, close natin yan. It's profits yun. And isa siguro sa mga mahalagang natutunan ko in crypto space guys is that on how you manage your emotions, no, as well as yung experience talaga, kasi napaka vital ng experience guys, no. Ito yung magko-convince sa'yo ng setups or plano mo na sundin. Kasi if you experience this kind of scenario, you will realize na potentially, possibly pwedeng mangyari ulit, no. So if ever man you reflect from those experiences, especially mistakes, ay pwede mong maging asset yun, no. Pwede mong matutunan yung ganong strategy na you like, okay, nangyari na to, ayoko nang gagawin to. Potentially ganito yung mangyayari ulit. So may mga ganong reflections guys, no, na nararamdaman ko ulit and na experience ko, no, in crypto space. And yun, in trading guys, isa sa tatandaan natin, it's all about self mastery, no. So if ever man na feel mo sa sarili mo na you get distracted na, try to do other things. You can just disconnect naman. How I manage my losses naman is just to disconnect, ask some, or like talk to other people. May mga events, punta kayo sa mga events, no, ask questions sa mga pumupunta sa events, no. So yun, feel free to comment kung gusto nyo mga ganitong discussions guys. And I'll try to record lang, maybe raw video lang. And I'll try my best to give my insights dito sa inyo, no? So meron tayong mga open positions pa dito. And yung kanina, I think Dodge yon. I contested yung Dodge kasi yung structure kasi ni Dodge dito guys is that ito. Na-explain ko na to dun sa pre-record ko kanina. Ito kasi guys is like ito, dating support niya, support trend line na nagkaroon ng breakdown, no? So high probability ng pagbagsak ng presyo. It was happen, pero I take profit na. Profit is profit. And we observe for the past couple of weeks guys, yung oscillators in crypto is nasa oversold territory na, kaya it's time to like take profits, or maybe other take profits. For me, this is the best time to set up my strategy, no, which is shorting strategy. And right now paparating pa yung Black Friday, so some catalyst sentiment ng karamihan, and it was happen naman. So yun guys, quick update lang ako dito sa ating discussions. Maybe I would say this is like a raw video lang, naisipan ko lang mag-record, pero pwede kayong pumunta sa ating YouTube channel for some updates and ano nga ba yung mga airdrop na pina-farm ko guys, no. Hindi ako masyadong active na comparing last few years ago. Ano tayong mga live dito few years ago pa, kasi I feel like low risk ang or maganda yung opportunity pag accumulation yung price action guys, no? Like for example, meron tayo ditong mga grids yung gumagana for the past couple of year na. I think this one, if I'm not mistaken, below 20k yung price action. During that time, meron tayong mga ginagawang video. Ito. So you can just go sa ating YouTube channel. So yun guys, quick update lang tayo today. Hope you get some insights, updates dito. And yun lang. Peace out. Bye for now.